Hi everybody, it's Dave Matthews for Champion Trading again. What we're showing you today, this is a Groen 100-gallon jacketed agitated kettle. We've customized some of the features on it. This is originally the R8 kettle, and if you come up here, Jim, we'll show you. We have water in it to test right now as a media. The kettle originally comes with two baffles, one here and one here, and as you can see, we've removed the one and added a secondary agitator. Both the agitators are variable speed, driven by AC frequency controllers by Tico. They're NEMA 4X for washdown service. We have a new Eurodrive motor on top to run the main agitator, as well as the lightning agitator you see here. Now in the lightning, we have a number of props we can furnish on here. There's a small 4-blade, about 6-inch turbine. We're going to run that for you right now so you get an idea of how good the agitation is. We've programmed this to be able to go up to 70 hertz, which will give you about an effective speed of about 380 RPM or so. And you'll see, if you can see the whole kettle, Jim, you're getting a nice flow around there. And right now we're running at about 60 hertz, and we can go up a little higher. And this is a 0.5 horsepower unit. The maximum speed is 350. Then come around this side, we're going to run the scraper agitator, which is also written, it's a touch sensitive control panel. And we have this frequency on this one set at about 40 hertz, which should give you about 20 or so RPM. And it's got finger style nylon scrapers on it. The vessel also features a flush seating ball valve. Take this one up a little bit faster. And the speeds will adjust slowly through the touch keypad right here. You get a really good agitation. For thicker products, it's actually an ideal vessel. There are, of course, 2 loose fitting covers which mount on the vessel as well. And down here you'll see it as a flush seating ball valve we've added new from Lee with an 1.5 inch discharge. We have lots of vessels like this in stock, and we can offer you custom modifications on most of them. Rebuilding, reconditioning as well. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com.